Me come to say something to you this morning, Jennifer Barron, over YouTube, aka Queenbee. Me hear you over there make video about cheap and clean. Listen, let me tell you something. The only reason why you're ramped and a go on so is because me not chat to you anymore. You have to get over it. You can't talk about nobody giving advice on what me I say from what me I say. Because you are one person that me and you fight for years. Dissing Donna. And tell me something if you not trust her, she not good and she wicked. So me don't know how you come on social media and they on your blogging page. I talk about we give advice and we call people this. That is all Jamaican people curse. If we cursing, we are gonna curse. We're gonna call you a fat bitch, we're gonna call you this, we're gonna call you that, and we get it over with. You're not in no position to come over YouTube or your channel and go on like you attack. You know the facts. I don't care who want own. Me live in a USA. I don't care who want own cheap and clean in Jamaica. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm speaking to the intellectual people them. Me not chat to people them on social media who are in blogging competition to make money on YouTube. Me have a vehicle paid for in full. You understand? Me not have no payment more than my insurance on it. So if I want to make extra money, I can go run Uber. Me can go run Uber Eats. Me can go work for Amazon. Me can go back in the nursing field because I have 30 years of experience in the nursing field. You're not in no position for over YouTube and I collaborate on nothing when it comes to me or how we trace out here. Because you have all personally upon all the negative page. Remember me and you. Me have voicemail where me can play. And me not go play it. You understand? The amount of cussing and vexation when me and you cuss and vex and me know you for much years over that girl I had. And you know the truth. So don't come on social media, come hype up and a go on and a go on and a go on and a deliberate on nothing. Any advice me want give me talk who want take it. Everybody know how me talk already and me make whole heap of sense out here. None of you with on YouTube not talented like me. Me not ask you. So if I wanted to be on YouTube, sit on a coronation market, and I make money over there, what kind of stop me? Me not come out and warn and tell say YouTube money is a turn against from Jesus Christ. Me not tell you no. Eh? Me not tell you already. How much time you have to tell you from last year? So the money that they're giving out on social media is a turning against the Lord. As long as you know on Facebook and YouTube and collecting these money, you are not going to know Jesus. We now depend on YouTube to get the pay, and we're not going to get vicious every day and turn against each other. You know, see how we become Judas between one another. You see how turn into a black sheep. You see how behavior, facial expression. You see how some of howl, and you make money, and you can't even refine upon yourself over YouTube channel. Me no want to tell you already. Me now make it take me over. Then none of one over there talented like me. None of one over there can chat like me. When it comes to chat sweetness and talk about the real thing when we not talk. Then who could know over there sit down. Look how long me not got YouTube. The only time I got YouTube I when Facebook cut off. My page is monetized to make short videos. When last me make short video? Me have to depend upon God. Because once you start indulge yourself in this Facebook money, look how over the fence get vicious. Look how the man get vicious because of YouTube money and Facebook money to get that money in their hand. And then say my businessman. And my brother them do the same type of work, fix up house. And my brother them own mansion. Eh? Driving big vehicle and have people that work for them. I mean I see them and them not on Facebook. None at all. You look how the man become. Look how the man become because he want to talk about me to get money. You know, look how all I wanna stay. Look how the woman a yard stay. Look how you stay. Jennifer Barron, look how you stay. For somebody when me and you talk from 2015. Me and you travel many times and meet up. You invite me to your family airtime, Thanksgiving, big dinner with the whole heap of uno. Look how you follow back at me everywhere me go. Both tried party of Jamaica and you come on social media. Both your turn. Both look at Facebook, look at YouTube do to you. And on my blood clot video you use and monetize your page. Eh? Look how you ungrateful. And now you do blogging. Eh? You have to get over it. We talk or we need to talk and we move on. If you never, you always been jealous of me and the other lady relationship. Now you have her. So it you can't be BFF now. Don't come to me already done. Me already done. Say what me have to say to you. And me go my ways. Me block you from WhatsApp, and that is it. Me not have nothing more to say to you. You don't know nothing about me. More than regular stuff with me and you talk about or whatever we whatever. You don't have no secret for me, Jennifer. You don't have no secret for me. You don't in no position to come talk about said me I call people fat and me I give people advice and this. She take it though. Every advice I have given her, she take it. Me tell her if you go lose weight and she go up on bicycle and go for a few time. Me tell her say she need to do something for Jamaican people. Everybody knows that cheap and clean is or whatever it is. The problem is this, as I indicated and up a years old. I don't give a fuck who want to use cheap and clean. All I'm saying is that we on social media in this little diaspora right here, everybody have them little name where them use. She take the name and feel like she want this the program. That's what we are talking about. My cheap and clean is a legal binding paperwork. So if me ever come out here as a cheap and clean, me have all rights to advertise it. I live in the United States of America. Me have a court stamp seal on it, and me have an IRS number from the United States government with it. So me have all rights to come out here and use it. What I'm saying, that girl of Jamaica, she have her name them already. Keep with your name. What the fuck you don't understand, or anyone who don't illiterate blood clot non-emancipated Negro people? What is it you don't understand? Nobody now talk about. Nobody's talking about you can't use this, you can't use that. The fact, the point of this conversation that we have been deliberating on is the fact that all of us have our name on social media. She act like a big bad and dopey conqueror when she got take the name that I have been promoting. I have a legal rights to use it, and she's using it for her cake. Because she feel like say she's the blood clot queen for social media, and she's not. You understand? She is not. Everybody have them support her. This is the point of what I'm saying. That's why the woman get it in England. Why would not get it? Because of bias. Eh? You don't want somebody. I bet you now to blood clot. If she take up your name now and go call you Queenbee. Queenbee cake. How you da feel? How would you feel, Jennifer Barron? How would you feel if she go take up your Facebook name where you create with a little bug them and cartoon character and go and call one of her cake Queenbee? How would you feel? Where you establish yourself on YouTube channel, to build a channel. How would you feel? Eh? How would the man of England know say, go take up one of her cake, them and go call her cake royals? Eh? Eh? How would the rest of bloggers them who have them name over there? Eh? Where the other woman name over there? Where Gracie, what she call for her people them? What she call for her people them over there? And I remember, how would she feel if she got take up one fear name what she using to establish her people them and call her business that? Wanna shut the fuck up because we're too biased. Nobody's talking about nothing. Nobody now sue, nobody come wanna waste my money upon that. Wanna know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, and you're acting stupid. Listen to me, Jennifer. You don't have no jurisdiction whatsoever. You're not in a category. You're not in no blood clot class, and nah. For deliberate pan when it come to me. Me I tell you straight up, as somebody you and I have been communicating for years. You're not in no blood clot position. To talk about me. No, me been calling you a hypocrite all these years now, and you prove the point. I have been calling you a hypocrite, and I don't trust you. So was I wrong? All these years, for the past few years now, 2 years down or 3 years, you have been trying to prove yourself that you're not an hypocrite and you're not a whatever. What do you call this now with your behavior? Have I ever come out and talk your business? I mean, know a lot of your business, personal business. Have I ever come out one time and talk about your personal business? Eh? Have I ever come out? Eh? Have I ever come out? You and I have been speaking from 2015. Have you ever heard me come out here and speaking about you? More than me say you're a hypocrite. Have I gone into any depth of any conversation to embarrass you and say certain things? No, I haven't. Why is you over social media deliberate on things? What if you need a second job? Why don't you look a second job? You drive. You can't go deliver Amazon. Amazon is paying $19.50 an hour. You can't go in the nursing field too. You can't go do a little private home care class. There is so you know a computer, you on computer. Them have job where you can stay home and work for companies on the computer. You don't have to try come over YouTube and attack shit. You can look like say you want to be planker so bad. You're confused. You were the one who over there on Ashanti 360 page doing review and like a radio station announcement talking. Look how much videos have I defend that girl with you. Me and you all bex over her. Suppose the people them hear the voice note when me and you trace off like fear or me defend her. Come out, come tell the people them that. Me I'll block you. How much time fear? The people them know them start something eh? You know how much time me block her fear? You know how much time me and I trace off and kick off and bex over the woman yard? And now you come about your split up things and attack. You need and then you love to talk about people is mental. Me not mental, are you mental? You love to talk about things and call people words. Like you're more intelligent than anybody else. Stop playing fool because let me tell you something. The people them out here when they have no education, a big education, them are the wise one. Because of them they on social media make all the blood clot millions of dollars. You need to stop calling my name completely. Because the way you behave right now, I will come on YouTube and strike out your blood clot for all my video where you have. What about that? Because you don't have no bomber clot secret for me. So what about if I come now with all the videos them that you have had with me and build your channel off of me? What if I come down and strike your blood clot? Because you don't have no secret for me, Jennifer. You don't have no fucking secret for me. What if I come and strike you for your behavior right now? What would you say? Because right now, me can't strike you a couple times and take down your fucking page, you know. Without a doubt, you know. Because you make your page off of me, you know. Me know you share Tina and Lorraine and whatever, but listen, I might something give you one of the biggest view over there, you know, and get your page where you want, you know. What if I decide to come and strike out your blood clot this morning? Because you have so much videos where I come and strike you with. And you and I have been arguing about that. And I say to you, when you read certain things, stop sharing my video. Now you come and turn upon me. Eh? How can you come and talk about me when me can't strike you out? After you don't have the fucking secret for me. Me think say that stop. You and I communicate. You say you stop, but you still have the vendetta go on because you hear me I call Marie name and other name them said way. You're carrying feelings said way. You have to get over it. I don't want no friend from you. You is no good. When it comes to friendship. You is no good when it comes to friendship. Have I come out here and said nothing about your business? Don't I know some of your business? Right now, if we make one phone call at Jamaica, we can't have somebody call on one phone right now and discuss you. Right now. The same person we are get married the 16th of January, December, we invite me to him wedding. Me supposed to go in wedding, go sing at the wedding and the reception. But through me in a situation of foreign, me can't go at my best friend wedding. One of my best man friend when me and him talk for much years. And me not come out come say nothing about you. Me not show a friend under the bus. You understand? Me tell you already, say from me see upon 300 page. I do them the sort of thing there. Because when me the area time come out and I do announcement for him and I pretend like a Western Union and MoneyGram and them something. I say, what? What did you do that for? So now you come and call up her name and I go on like said, you know, have no, do something else. You don't have no business to doing no blogging about nothing. You're called confused. Who are you? I have not even, me could have come out and start talk some things and whatever it is. As woman perspective, what woman and woman talk about. But I don't, because I'm not them type of person. You know how much information me have on people right now me could have release? Why you think over the fence hate me so? Right you know? Why do you think over the fence going so hard for me? Not because I know some in business? When no want to know? Why you think them go so hard? Did I ever come and throw it out? Nope. Right now me have the paperwork them in my hand right now can't fling out. I would have never fling it out. It's not my business. Make him contact himself. I don't come and fling it out. I don't come and fling out certain things I know for much months now. I don't. And it's a God up of heaven. So when me drop some little word pan him where uno no know, him know me I talk, but because me talk to him in a one quote, like me just drop 2 little hint. And just dropping 2 little words, him know exactly what I'm talking about. That is the reason why I'm coming down for me so hard. Because him supposed to come on social media and do all kind of stuff and expects that God never expose him. That's why I'm coming down on me so hard. Why you think him coming down on me so hard? Right now, me can't fling out what for documentation on social media from years and from old and new and put it out. And then we'll not know exactly what type of person him is. And then when you see it for yourself, when you realize, say, oh, this is his characteristic. Him can't stop. But me not put out it. Me not afraid of him. But me not going to turn. I am not going to be the type of person to put out paperwork. Personal paperwork on social media when me going to try to stop it. Then if me know, I could try to make people start put out me and my social paperwork on social media and me go dash out other people one. Then all that took a look at the court of law. Them not going to use that against me and say me I put out people paperwork on social media. Me and a blood clot idiot. Eh? Nobody know business. You is not loyal. You a big woman. You is not you're gonna have no business in a blogging world like that. You have other priorities that you can take care of. You're not better than me. The whole away, as we said, the whole away out there. And because say it's just because we are not on social media or someone not on social media for people know the business and certain things. You understand? The whole away they are struggling in America, whether single or not single not. But me can make my way out in certain aspect. The whole amount of people out there we are look apartment and can't get in. The amount of people out there we are struggling to do certain things. I you know come on social media talk about house and house this and house that. I wanna I go on like say America is a bed of roses. The people them know Jamaica will come from Jamaica and know that for themselves now. When it come up here, not easy, especially with this, especially when you come up and run off forget this green card. Nobody not even married to nobody again. You could have offered them a $1 million, them not do it. You know how much people call me and I offer me all I 130 and me I refuse it. Nobody no want married nobody again. Because nobody no want tie down with this immigration business for much years. And you have to go involve bank account and this and this and that. Nobody no want to do it. It is so hard. So me I tell you people be careful. Be careful Be careful of no decide no mind so now run off. And make sure so no know now run off too. And if you no decide to come America, come make a try come in the summertime, no come in the winter. Because some of them family dog near me no supper. So anytime we not try nothing, try fi come in the summertime and know where now go. Sometimes it better if you not take one chances with a stranger than go a family yard. It better if one stranger treat you like a dog more than no one a family. So just make sure same time you not come here and know what state you not going at all. And know the laws for this cause everything a change. Nobody know, look how much single woman there when on the paper. Nobody not married to nobody nowadays. Man live with woman for 30, 20, 15 years and not married to them. Much less go married for green card. Them not doing it. Whole heap of single man that hard for a county cut. Some of them not have not, them not married. And they're working and doing it. Them not married because we're not going to use them and abuse them. Some of them are hypocrite. You understand? That's why me tell myself, you know, me not got no family yard. Me rather do my thing myself. And struggle by myself to reach and me reach. I don't love to put on people too much. I don't love to put on people too much. I don't love to judge the book. Thank God me is a strong girl. And me try to figure things out for myself. And me there too long so me smart. And me know my way out. And God, that's why you see me try me not indulge in money. I indulge in this Facebook money because I know I want to depend on Jesus Christ. Because you can imagine if I run down Facebook money, how mother in a mix up every day, and how mother out here guani. You don't think so me can come out here and guani and cause all kind of problem. You don't think so me could have, if me want money, all me have to do work on Trace 99. The amount of people who can give me views and abuse and like. Eh? If I want, I can't come out and make enough money now. All me have to do is cost 99. That's all me have to do. I don't care nothing about it. All me have to come out and make a subject panel every day. I make money over YouTube. Me not trouble her. As she come take up cheap and clean name and a drop order. And I come and call my pitney. Una bias come over here talk about jail. You know how much time she call my pitney, say my pitney that you know have no pitney at jail America. I got a minister to America and I got jail. You know how much time she drop out for my son? You come over here talk about a Tina Chin she talk. It's not Tina Chin alone she's talking. She's talking about my son CJ in her video what she do the other day. And she not talk about so she have one black pitney here too. Where no white. One day me get himself in a trouble with his girlfriend. Or driving and police profiling. Cause him no privilege here. You come out and talk about a Tina Chin. Him and Tina Chin like us? Why would she have me she talking and my pitney she talk? You not talk about no fucking Tina Chin. It's my pitney she drop out pan. But my pitney a born blood clot American. You understand? How would jailhouse make for exactly? You know how much I want to go to jail? Do you know? Some people right now when me talk to in my life say, Marcia, me got jail back in the days. And you wouldn't believe it. They say, Marcia, me got jail already. How much time? You understand? And them got jail for bust up liquor and the girl. And boy, me not ask you. So all of them where you see a guani and a come on social media, them a big blood clot thief.